Laser welding of stainless steel requires attention to the following issues. First of all, it should be noted that the small size and complex structure of precision devices require high precision positioning and fixed tooling to accurately position and firmly fix the devices to prevent movement and deformation during the welding process. Secondly, it should be noted that precision devices have a limited weld seam and heat-affected area, which requires fine control of laser energy and welding speed, and strict control of melt depth and melt width to avoid excessive heating. Finally, it should be noted that precision devices are thin and prone to thermal stress and distortion. Low-stress multi-pass welding and slow cooling techniques are required, as well as post-weld heat treatment to relieve stresses. In summary, laser welding of precision devices requires systematic consideration of all aspects of the device and the adoption of thorough technical and management measures for strict control to achieve high quality, efficient, and stable welding quality.